There's Carmarthen Castle. So if we go out there, let's get up here. Probably it's to hang people up here. Oh. Obviously this bit's new, but up here, so behind there, or up there, and then you've got this bit, hell of a drop over here. So you've got a castle, as you can see, this is the front. You can see half the Carmarthen, there's the River Towy. And way down below, a fair old height standing up here. And there's the old jail. If you're trying to escape, you'd have to jump over that wall, and then you'd have to somehow get down there. And this is, you know, steeper then. Then you go through here. Whew. Those stairs kill me. But the debtors' prison was down with the scaffolding is below. And then where they used to hang people, up here. Right. This wall here, actually, could have been buried under here. So here's where the debtors' prison was. There. And now as you go through here, going into Carmarthen town itself. Ooh. So there we have it. But yeah, there we hang. Right. It's quiet in Carmarthen today. This is not square. As I said in an early video, I should have had the benches here back when they were hanging people. That's Carmarthen Castle, and where they used to execute people and keep people.